How to get $180 Postmates coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Postmates coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Open it. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Postmates. Once you're in the website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals. You can see that $20 off, $100 off, 100% off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Postmates. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your order. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Postmates. The process is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also try out this one website, Simply Codes. This is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Postmates. Well, this is how you can easily get up to $180 Postmates coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.